In today's video, we're diving into an honest review of uKit, a popular website builder designed for creating websites with ease. When you first visit uKit, you're immediately greeted with a clean and modern interface, which makes the platform approachable for beginners and experienced users alike. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, and once you're logged in, you'll find that creating a website is as simple as choosing a template and customizing it to suit your needs. uKit offers a variety of templates, which are categorized by industry. Whether you're building a website for a business, a portfolio, or an online store, you'll find pre-designed templates to make the process much faster. The drag-and-drop editor is one of the platform's standout features, allowing users to add text, images, buttons, and other elements without needing any coding knowledge. It's intuitive, responsive, and does most of the heavy lifting for you. As you move into customizing your site, uKit offers a solid range of tools. You can easily adjust fonts, colors, and layout, and there's even a built-in image editor for quick tweaks. For those looking to create an e-commerce store, uKit provides basic e-commerce functionality, such as product pages, shopping carts, and payment integrations. While it doesn't offer as many e-commerce features as some of its competitors, it's still a solid option for small to medium-sized online stores. uKit also provides a range of SEO tools to help boost your site's visibility. You can edit metadata, create custom URLs, and integrate Google Analytics for tracking. This gives you control over how your website ranks in search engines, which is crucial if you're trying to drive organic traffic. Now, many useful links can be found in the description after watching the video. These resources are not related to uKit but can help you further with other tools and tips for website creation. When it comes to pricing, uKit is fairly affordable. It offers several pricing tiers based on the features you need. The basic plan is great for small personal projects, while the higher tier plans give you access to advanced features such as more storage, professional support, and additional e-commerce capabilities. Overall, uKit is an excellent choice for beginners and those looking for a straightforward, no-fuss website builder. It may not have all the bells and whistles of larger platforms, but for those looking to build a simple, professional-looking site quickly, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and user experiences of popular website builders. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description